There's Cat. Look at the two of them. It's beautiful. Cat did not come out of the tree until I came and sat down. I was working out in the yard, and I heard Cat. All right, Cat. Everybody's getting along. Where is that catbird? It's coming in between the bush. There she is. Look. Look at this. Look at this. She's coming right up to me. Hello. Well, hello. Is someone gonna sit on my leg today? Like your ancestor used to do? Oh, wow. This is absolutely cool. Hello, Cat. Hello. Hello, sweetie. Okay. That was awesome. Peace. And be wild. Oh, now she's talking to me. She's mad I didn't give her anything because I was too busy filming. Okay. Ciao.